Welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to download S26 features on any Android. So the only way through which you could do so is to install third-party applications. For that, launch Google Play Store. Go ahead and tap on search at the bottom. Now go to the search bar and simply search for S26 Ultra Launcher. From here, you can see various applications you could download for free so that you could convert your Android into S26 Ultra and get its features. Now, another step you could do in order to make your Android look like S26 Ultra is that if you already own a Samsung device, what you can do is go ahead and tap on Settings. From here, scroll down below and tap on Software Update. Now, if you have any software updates pending, tap on it and make sure that you tap on Schedule Restart. So if you do so, your Samsung device will be updated to its latest version and you will be getting latest features that are on Samsung S26 as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.